It's quite impressive what our tax money are being used for. It's quite impressive. Yes, watch this video.
We are gathered here to witness the formal commission.
Yes, fantastic. And I hope this is not another campaign. I just hope this is not a campaign. Please, let it not be a campaign. Let it be a continuity. We want more of this. When you do good things with our tax money, we applaud you. We applaud you. We are going to applaud you. You have done this. We applaud. We are very happy that we are seeing it. But please, we want to use it. This is the board I'm using. I want to get my first digital board, interactive dashboard from Enugu, from made in Enugu. Please, let us use it. This good job that you started, continue, and let it be a continuity. Let it not be a campaign. Yes, I keep saying don't allow it to be a campaign, because if it becomes campaign, it will not last. It will just go off. But if you build it for continuity purposes, the people of Enugu State will enjoy it the more. You are doing well, Governor. For this, you are doing well. For this, you are doing well. We hope to use it.
Very soon, the world will become familiar with these three words. Made in Enugu.